Well, hi, my loves. How are you? I hope you all had a wonderful and a blessed day. And to all of our newcomers, our new family, welcome, 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 welcome. We are so glad that you chose us to be a part of our family. We love you, we adore you in my ghost voice, and we are so glad to have you. Someone made a comment today. I couldn't get my sister to read the comments today because she had to work. But I did get to read one or two before my eyes started blurring up bad. And one of the ones I read, it really touched my heart because they made it me aware. They made me aware that this is not only a channel of addiction. This is a channel of love. This is a channel of home. This is a channel of peace. This is a channel where we can come and we can pray for each other. We can come and love each other. We can come and support each other. And you know what? They were right. And I am so grateful that God granted me you all as my family to share that with. It just broadened my vision for our channel. It broadened my vision because you're right. We are a family of love and a family that prays for each other and we care for each other. And I'm grateful. I'm thankful that I have each and every one of you from my day oneer till my day now. Okay, let's just say that. I love you guys. I do. I love you. If nobody has told you that today, let me be the first. I love you. And when I say that, you know it comes from my heart, from the very bottom of my heart, and from the depths of my soul. You guys are awesome, and I love you. Oh, guys, I'm introducing to some and reintroducing to others Maddie and Gerald. Maddie and Gerald are from Detroit, Michigan. They have no affiliation with Lisa. I used to think Maddie was the worst I had seen until I met Lisa. Maddie is a baby addict compared to Lisa. And we had already almost got Maddie to the point that she wasn't coming on anymore because her enablers had just dwindled down to hardly nothing. Ghost, J8, August West, Jesco, we all had worked on getting Maddie shut down, and we almost got it to the point that her enablers were basically none. People had started opening their eyes. And I'm hoping and praying that the same thing will happen with Lisa. Now, Maddie was introduced to Lisa. She asked in a live one day, "Who is Lisa?" They told her she must have went and watched Lisa. She comes back and now she's trying to pick up again. So, if I have to, I'm going to do what I have to do to stop the enabling, to stop the giving. Because Maddie, she's on H, she's on Fetty, she's lost a thumb to this from injecting, and Jarryl does the same. Here, Maddie was a beautiful girl. Maddie is 35 years old, soon to be 36, and Maddie looks 3 times her age now. And it's sad. Gerald was a handsome young man. Beautiful smile. I looked at him, he's getting ready to lose a tooth or two. All because of drug use. She has 2 children that doesn't even know her basically. And she doesn't care. She lost her father last year. She didn't even go to his funeral. She acts as if nothing happened until it was time for people to give her. Then she used it for her benefit. And she played that until months later. She's dwindled people out of thousands of dollars, lying, saying she was in rehab, when honestly, she's never been to rehab. So, I get lost when I look at her, because she has such potential. She had went to college. She's a high school graduate with two beautiful boys, and you choose this life over your children and over, I just don't understand it. I do not. I want kids, and here all of these women are having kids, and they don't appreciate the gift that God has given them. As bad as I want them and have wanted them all my life, but God didn't grant me that at that time. But you know what? He gave me you. I have plenty of children now, and I'm grateful. I love you too, guys. I will be so glad when my eyes get better so we can really chat. I go to the eye doctor on Friday. Everybody wanted an update. I go on Friday, and then I have another doctor that I go see after the eye appointment. So keep me in your prayers, and you know you're in mine. Like someone stated in the comments, I couldn't get my sister to read, but I did read a few myself before I started blurring. This is a channel not only of addiction, this is a channel of family, a channel of love, of prayer, a channel that God has gave us, that we can come together and we can be there for each other. Those of us who are lonely, we've got somebody. We've got each other. Those of us who are sad, we come here and we make each other smile. I love you all. I do. And I pray that you will never, ever let this happen to you. Let's watch. But remember, I love you, every one of you, from the very first person to the very last. I love you all. I do. This is Maddie before, and this is Maddie after. Sad. That's Gerald. That's the thumb, guys. That's the thumb that Maddie had injected in. And you see it. That was Maddie when Maddie had lost her vision. Now look at her smile. That's Maddie and Jarryl. Look at that. And look at her now. This is now, right here.
So, I need to show everybody how to wear your makeup.
I want you to pay attention. Let me see if I can
Okay?
get it.
First of all,
Look at her thumb. Oops. Okay, it's going to go again. I want you to pay attention to her thumb. Pay very close attention. That's the thumb that she had injected in. And look at how dirty. That's the thumb. Look at how dirty her hands are. What is it with hygiene and rugs? I don't get it. Is it that hard to wash your hands? Let's watch, guys. Sorry, I started it over. Look at her teeth now.
I need to show everybody how to wear your makeup, okay? First of all, when I see these eyebrows that are drawn on, come on, honey, boo-boo, let's get this together here. First off, let's make them the same, okay? Second, make them look like eyebrows, not pyramids or waves or smiley faces, you know? Get this straight. I just want to walk up to these people and just wipe them all off, okay? And, like, are we using, like, a paint marker to do this? No, honey. Please. I'm begging you. Use a thin pencil, okay? You need a, tracer or whatever, stencil.
Did you see the back of her hand? I'm trying to catch it for you, but look at the back of her hand. She has several abscesses where she has been injecting into her veins. Let's just keep it real. And that's how she lost her thumb. But yet and still she continues to do it. What is it going to take for her to lose an arm? I've already seen that done by one of, by a recovering addict on YouTube. She's lost her arm, her hand. I've seen them lose legs. Why? I'll try to catch it for you.
Use one. Come on now, ladies. Let's get this together.
You can see a little bit here. Let's see. You can see a little bit right there. You can see where it's kind of swollen. And it's 2 spots on the back of her hand. I don't understand. Why would you do this to yourself? If you know somebody that you feel might be starting rugs or in recovery, or I don't know, if you know anybody that you just want to keep away from rugs, please show them this. Spread the word. Like and share. But not only like and share it here, like and share it with your children. Like and share it with your family. Show them the effects of before and after. This is a 35-year-old woman. Gerald is even younger than her. And look how they've aged. It's sad. It's really sad. And what even makes it worse is Maddie, she walks the street. You can figure that out. I don't want to come out and actually say it, but she's a streetwalker. And Jarryl is her boyfriend. No, he's not her pimp. He's her boyfriend. But I've even heard that he jumps from cars to car. And he should be working, taking care of her, taking care of himself. But does he? No. He sweeps the parking lot every now and then. He mows grass every blue moon. And that's what he calls work. Not a 9 to 5. They live in abandoned buildings. You see how their hygiene is. And this is what people choose over reality, over living a decent life. I know that rugs are addictive. I know that they're hard. But shouldn't this be enough to deter you from it? I don't understand. I love you guys. Let's watch.
So, yes, that's my first thing. Second, these caterpillar eyelashes? Come on. Don't we all want to look natural? Like, who doesn't? So, yes, eyelashes, they can be nice, but not these big old caterpillar, like, eyelashes that are out of this world, okay? Second. Mascara, just use some nice, pretty, simple black mascara, simple black eyeliner, maybe a little cover up, a little maybe lip gloss, call it a day. You don't need to cake a layer upon a layer in a line with not even matching your skin tone. It is ridiculous. I can't take it, okay? I just really need to get that here. So, these. Take it into consideration, okay? Love everybody. You do you. And everybody have a wonderful day. And please. No, sorry guys. A freaking man. Why is it looking like that? Oh, there it goes. That's better. Right here, I put it out for you because I was just sitting here. Love you. I'm live. What up, world? Oh. I need a burners or something. Woo. My stomach. Well, hello. Oh, man. Woo. Not feeling too hot today, sir. What's up? Hola. Hey guys. How's it going?
I say the Pocahontas.
Yeah.
It rains. It
Sucks. That is for sure.
It started raining out of nowhere. It's raining, it's pouring, this is some bullshit, I'm boring.
Oh my gosh, Stephanie, hello. What you doing? Long day. Not here, it's horrible here. What's up, Trisha? What's hot? Oh, okay. I wish. It's been a shitty day.
The Chiefs and who?
Hey, Stephanie, what you up to? Hey, Amber, how are you, honey?
The Chiefs and who?
Who's the Chiefs playing?
Peter.
What's up, Carrie? Hey, Peter.
Yes, that's Gerald. And Peter, if you know Maddie and Gerald, then you know who Peter is. If you are not familiar with Maddie and Gerald, Peter is their number one enabler. There's one other that makes her do little stupid skits and little stupid commercials like she did earlier in the first part of the video. And they pay her to do things to humiliate her. But she thinks it's cute because they pay her to do that. And Gerald, wannabe rapper. Instead of rapping, get a job. Take care of your woman since you love her so much. She was blessed with 2 beautiful sons. Something that I want so bad is kids of my own. And then women like her and Lisa are blessed with them, and they could care less about them. Their rugs are more important than their own children. I don't understand it. A man and rugs are more important than the very child you gave birth to. That part of life, I wish I could switch with you. Because what I would give to be a real mother of a child that I had given birth to, and you get it and take it for granted. But you know what? God has gave me more than enough when he gave me all of my children here. And I love each and every one of you, and I'm glad to call you mine.
What's up, Ellen? How are you? Having a crappy day. It's rainy. I don't feel good. Oh, shit. Atlanta.
Oh.
Yes, it's raining. I feel you, Steph. Some people just are good at that stuff. You gotta have the patience, that's for sure. Great. Show you what? Oh, they not around here. Nothing going on around these parts. Yeah, they were just driving past. I just trying to get through the light. Hold on. Man. Hey, Sammy and James. I'm at Amber. Yeah, they're horrible. Trying to get a couple dollars. I've been hustling. Not going so great. Sorry. But, hey guys. Anyways, what I said, hustling, trying to hustle. Been not so lucky today.
I ain't covering the mic. I do this shit every night. What you saying with the left, knock 'em out with the right. I'm suffering. You know I'm the good. The fuck nigga, yeah, you know, yeah, I'm the God. Come through and I got me a plot. You know J Rizzy up on the block. I don't to the top. I go to the top. You know I love my pops.
Hold on, sorry guys.
Shout out to the fam.
There goes your non-rhyming Gerald with his fake rap. If he would put the energy that he puts into rap, if he would put that energy into getting a job and getting clean, do you know what a success story he would be? If Maddie would get clean after all of the lies she's told that she has attempted to, oh, I'm going to treatment, I'm going to treatment, I'm in treatment. Maddie even went as far, and you see she's kind of boring compared to Lisa, but she's even went as far to doctor up a picture in his aunt's basement and told everybody she was in treatment in an actual facility when really she was in his aunt's basement. It's crazy, right? I think so. She's getting ready to beg. She has a subtle way of begging. Nothing like Lisa, but you'll see. And let me go ahead and say this now. I hope you all understand that I love you. I am so blessed to have each and every one of you as a part of my life. I will never take that for granted. If you need me, I'm here for you. Please forgive me that I cannot see your comments right now. It's because of the eye and my headaches and that situation. But it's going to get better. And when it does, we'll be able to communicate more. And like I said, when they do get better, we're going to do a live so we all can interact one-on-one. And I can let you know in person, via video that is, or be alive. I will let you know how much I truly love and appreciate you. I hope you all have a blessed night. I'm going to let this play out. You are in my heart. You are in my every thought. And I mean that when I say it. Anytime I whisper a prayer during the day, you are in it. And God knows I love each and every one of you. From my auntie, van lady, all the way down to my children, my sisters, my brothers, my nieces and nephews. I love you. Even my haters, I love you. I do. And you all are in my prayers. Continue to keep me in yours. I love you. Have a blessed night. Oh, and please like and share as I've asked you before. Let's get the word out that we do not want you enabling Maddie and Jarryl. We do not want you enabling Lisa. We do not want you enabling anyone that has an addiction. If you care anything about them, you won't help them meet their demise. It only takes one bad batch, and that can be the end. I don't want to be the cause of that, do you? Good night, guys. I love you.
Damn it. Not on the phone. That is the name. Jay, what's that, Jay?
Our whiz.
Who the is that? Are you homeless?
Hey, Christy.
Okay, I just want to say something. Are you homeless? That question is like, why are you asking that?
Don't they stuff I'm telling you.
Like, is it funny or something?
I don't answer any just silly questions. I just ignore them. Well, I mean, obviously.
I do work. I work every day.
That's how I am, Carrie. I get a horrible headache. Alana, hello.
I want to know how you're okay.
Really?
Hey, guess what? I want to know how you're okay because you're worried about that.
Amber, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, let's get on that. I wasn't joking.
Fuck. What'd I just do? What did I just do? I did not mean to do that. Whatever. I think I actually pinned this freaking shit on accident. Whatever. I don't know what I just did. Frank Ocean.
Hey, Frank Ocean, can you dive?
Ellen, that's how I feel. I'm pretty sure it's exactly what it is.
Thank you. Shout out to India. Robert Russell.
Bye. What did I just do? Jose, you're right. No, not crackhead. Oh my gosh, I'm fucking up this damn.
Cracky is whack.
Here, take it.
Cracky is whack. As a matter of fact.
Look how swollen Gerald's face is. He says that someone hit him. Someone hit you all over your face, Gerald? And he used to be so handsome. But look at his face. All around his cheeks, his nose, his lips, his tooth on the left side look like it's about to come out. I mean, don't you look in the mirror and you guys see yourself? It's sick. It's sad that someone would let their self go this far. Let's just finish watching.
Josh.
I know, Amber. It's ridiculous.
You guys. Van Helsing. Hey. What's poppin', Cassie? Frank Ocean, so tweak. You so weak. I bet you be on my channel every week.
Every day, right?
Is this your girlfriend? No, it's not my girlfriend. It's my wife. Hello? I know I do need to braid my hair.
Let me braid my hair.
Is y'all strung out? Wow.
Did you ever have,
We not zoomed in.
You gotta move it backwards, Gerald.
A nice big black.
Sarah.
Hola, Sarah. Frank Ocean. Gangster. You can't hear me?
Okay, hold on, brother, baby. What's ya? What's up, Bradley? No, he ain't kidnapped me. What the hell? I wish someone would kidnap me.
No, you don't.
I don't know, you're, I did not. I said hold the umbrella.
Right.
The fuck? Listen better, honey.
Did she say she doesn't?
I don't call him bro.
She doesn't.
Never.
Wow.
Y'all are nuts.
What is that? It says this girl face what?
Where?
This girl face clearly tell her she's on something.
Crying red. Hi, boo.
The questions are amazing.
Alright, Cassie, you have a good night, babe. I know, right, Crying Red? These idiots, man, they're irritating. You on crack?
Duh, this is funny.
Thank you, Deacon. I mean, we're everywhere. Everybody knows what we do and what we are, who we are. We're under an umbrella, guys. It's an umbrella.
Yes,
Umbrella.
How embarrassing is that? Everybody knows what we do and what we are. And you degrade yourself and you're okay with that? Wow.
Crying red. Oh man, I'm about to that point. Hold the phone up. I mean, I don't know what y'all want me to do here. Belle, you don't know what high looks like.
Oh my goodness, bro.
I got more than 3 T's. Frank Ocean, you're an idiot.
He's the type of person that ain't got nothing
Sophia
else to
comes
do.
on a little bit. Newport. 3 and a stump. The fuck? Because they're so miserable and misery loves company.
It's okay.
Crying red, help! Help! Kelgon takes me away, man. Well, there you go,
What's up,
Frank.
So you want to sit here and watch us, right? And call us crackheads and all that stuff.
What up,
Come on,
Treehouse
man.
Kitchen?
Grow up, man.
How are you? The rain can be nice when you can be in your room in a big cozy bed, watching movies. That's when rain's nice.
And you could have all of that and more, Maddie, if you wanted it. But you chose this. And then you want, really? You want to complain? These are choices you have made. And now you're dealing with the consequences. And I don't see you making any changes. I love you guys. I do.
Other than that, I want an ice cream cone. Christy, thank you. Tell a joke.
Thank you, Taylor.
Tyler. Really? What do you think?
Come on, man.
Who, Jose? What are you talking about?
Or beats his wife. That's why he's here talking crap. Oh yeah, he talking about Frank.
Frank.
Let me dive in the ocean.
Right, that's what I keep thinking every time I see his. Or isn't there like a rapper or a singer, Frank Ocean or something?
No, his name called. That's the song. It's called Dive in the Ocean.
No, but isn't there really like a singer or something though? Oh, I don't know. I think I accidentally pinned someone's chat thing. Oh well.
The annoying troll. Nothing's wrong with smoking crack. Yes, it is.
Crack is good. She be out doing stuff for it, and you sit there being jealous till you hit that step.
Who?
I don't know what do you mean by that, Stefan? Love to you too, Treehouse. Hope you're having a better day than me. Crying Red, they're just all the same. It's the same bullshit
Of solving a problem is acknowledging. You know who the problem is? You.
I don't know. I'm leaving Frank. He's kind of interesting.
Right. I'm gonna leave him there so he can just talk.
Why do people say that a lot?
What?
There's a black man behind you. No, he's next to me.
I'm so glad that you have a black.
Because you have something to prove, don't you? What the? By threshold. I don't know. They don't know. They don't even know what their fucking name means. Threshold moment. Come on now. Y'all got me on a trip. I'm not having a very good day today. Dude, she's got a better mustache than you, bro. I don't have a fucking mustache. Where's my mustache?
I don't know.
Everybody got peach fuzz, but you don't. Get the fuck out of here, William. Bye, William. You're mad because you can't kiss my mustache. I'm gonna start holding people. Fuck it. Crying Red, love you.
Thank you, Crying Red.
She's so pretty. Look at her hair.
Let me dive in your ocean.
Amy.
I guess Crying Red is enabler of the day. That's what I used to call her, enablers, because they identify themselves. I sent you this, Maddie. I sent you this. And she says, thank you. So I guess that's what that was. Crying Red, congratulations. You're helping them reach their goal of meeting their demise sooner than soon. Continue to do what you're doing. It doesn't take but one bad batch. One bad batch can end it all. Congratulations, Crying Red.
Yeah, it does suck when you're stuck outside.
Amy does she does what is it called? The sober living thing. You do sober living, Amy, right? Housing. What are you doing with the damn umbrella, man?
I was spinning it.
I see. Thank you, Rip. I'm very pretty. It's just my teeth. Oh well, fuck it. Like, who said that? My teeth can be fixed. Come on now, leave me alone. Leave me be. I don't care if you don't like my teeth. Then don't look at them.
Look at my teeth.
Gerald got punched. Oh, I'm not gonna say it, but his one tooth's loose. Sucks.
Yeah, I got punched.
I'm an idiot. People are ignorant.
He sucker punched me and bust my lip.
I don't even know what to say about it. Diddy thought he was untouchable.
Hey, guess what? Diddy shouldn't have been wrong. That he should have did what he kept doing, because when he wasn't doing what he was supposed to, that boy got caught.
No, he thinks he's untouchable because he was who he was. When at the end of the day, they wouldn't even let him do a $50 million bond.
Of course, because for the simple fact, they not gonna let him bond out, because guess what? Because then he's free. He's free, and he can mess with the what's his name? What do you call him?
The witnesses.
Yeah, that's the main reason.
He can do that inside.
No, he can't.
Yes, he can. He can have other people do it. What the fuck you mean?
You're right about that. But guess
that
what?
Has nothing to do with it.
Hey, but guess what? He's inside, and he's
enjoying himself.
Of course he is, because he's not a bunch of guys.
He's having a good time.
He and that boy like, yeah, let's play P. Diddy games.
He eating good. He all right. He's about to get touched in prison. He wants to get touched. Oh yeah, he did it. He did everything. Maybe not. He knows what he did. P. Diddy's a fucked up individual.
That nigga was doing some shit.
He ain't right.
But guess what?
He ain't right.
Hey, but guess what though?
You can't make someone do something.
But guess what?
Still.
It's not only P. Diddy.
I know, it's a lot of other people.
Guess what? You gonna see. Hey, I ain't gonna say, but guess what? Hey, that boy,
suicide watch for what?
That boy, what's his name? Who got all the millions of dollars with that beautiful wife? Hey, he's a crook too.
Who?
Who else?
Oh.
Right.
Yeah. That's what I was talking about.
But guess what? He's smart about his shit.
The thing is though, I don't know. Did his baby mama died, right?
Who?
Jay-Z, the one that he cheated on Beyonce with and got pregnant.
Yeah.
She ended up dead. You heard about that?
I think so.
Now, how'd that happen?
Because Illuminati.
Oh, okay. Blue? What do you mean? Oh, yeah, crying red, right.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lila.
Happy birthday to you. You are the boo-boo.
What's up, Janice? How are you, sweetie?
Who?
He ain't smart. That's why he locked up for a long time. No, he just didn't think. Like I said, he thought he couldn't be touched.
He couldn't. Look.
He thought money would make it okay.
He couldn't be touched. But the thing was, what happened? He messed.
You're not listening.
He knew something, and he was about to reveal somebody that he wasn't supposed to. That was a higher up, and so they stopped it.
The Illuminati.
Yes.
Okay, let's stop talking about this. We're gonna have Illuminati after us.
When you mess with the wrong people in there,
I know.
all the millions of dollars ain't gonna mean nothing, because they'll snatch it from you.
What's up, Teresa?
All of a sudden, the feds just come in and raid your house.
Right, out of nowhere.
Come on now.
Get out of there. We all know that. Come on. And they didn't just raid it. They
Man, they ran through
military
it.
Did.
Hey, right. The military came. Come on, man. The feds. So you know the Illuminati's like, oh, he knows something. Go get it.
Yes, Janice, he is. He's worse than R. Kelly. You're right. R. Kelly just did a few little silly things.
R. Kelly just pissed on people.
We're talking, right, billions, not millions, right. Exactly.
But dog, talking about that, what's up with Donald Trump though? Can't nobody touch him though. He's untouchable.
Oh, come on now. Let's not talk about that.
That's quadrillions. He got quadrillions.
He couldn't even get assassinated.
Bro, if you can't even get assassinated, you know you untouchable.
Opiates. If you want me to really answer that. Shut up, they did crying red. I didn't hear about that. See, we don't watch. Oh shit. Almost dropped the phone. We gotta get off here in a minute. We're almost dead. But we didn't even hear. Oh shit. Anyways.
Trump 2024. Yes, he's gonna win.
Oh yeah, Trump's gonna win. But you know what? I ain't about to even lie. I'd probably vote for Trump.
What? You don't even vote.
I don't vote. I've never voted.
I have. I used to vote all the time.
No point. Because they're gonna have who they want to win regardless. Oh no. There it goes. Regardless, they're gonna have who they want to. It's gonna be whoever they want it to be. Me too, Crying Red. There's no point. What's the point?
It's a private golf course.
Pop off, to be honest, I'm not proud for never voting, but you vote and your vote don't even make a difference. So what does it matter? So if you want to make, that's just them brainwashing you, thinking that you're really doing something, but you're not. Care less about what you do. All that bullshit. What'd you say, Ellen? I missed it.
Thank you.
They're eating the fog. What?
They're eating the frogs.
I'm so lost. Who's eating frogs? What's up? What did I say? Anyways.
Thank you.
Oh, here you go, Pop Off. Bye-bye. I don't know who you are, and I don't like it. I do. I really think that. No, I'm not saying you're brainwashed, but I'm just saying they want you to really think that your vote counts, and it don't. What did they just say? Pets. You're fucking like, really? Tyler. He said frog legs are good. Oh my god, everybody shush. Alright guys, I gotta get off here. We need like $5 today. We can get something to eat. I'm fucking hungry. My stomach's growling. Pinheads, what's that? That's Stephanie. Yeah, you probably were ripped off, Tori. That's a lot of money. You're ignorant for that one. He said $500. I hit Ashley, you're crazy. We don't do math. Why do people keep saying that? Ugh. Deacon, put my Cash App up, please. Anybody? 74 Rizzy. Hey! Is it still raining? Your teeth are gross. How about your face is gross? If I voted, I'd probably have some money. Yeah, okay. Well, thank you, Amy. Whenever we're ready, she's got a place for us. Somebody put up my Cash App.
74 Rizzy.
Pretty please.
Yeah, you know I'm busy. All the bad bitches, yeah, they want to kiss me.
Thank you, Janice.
Hey, I make a lot of presents here on Christmas. Cause you know I'm the Christian.
Oh, what is it? Oh, a real note. If you are here to troll, reconsider. If you were down on your luck, would you want to be spin on? Thank you. Right. No,
Yes,
I don't.
I do.
He does. I can't. Not a problem there, Space Lagoon. Go to
I'd rather, what is it, burn my money. Yeah, let's burn it.
Start burning it. You can
Burn,
go to
burn,
jail. You
baby,
can go to
burn.
jail for that. You know that, right? I wish I could smoke. I wish I could smoke weed. I can't. I really do. Who was you talking to? How y'all doing?
What up, though?
Alright. Crackies.
Thank you.
Pop off. I thought I done.
What you say?
Oh shit. It's the drugs, methamphetamine. We don't do meth.
What you say? Gerald,
How's
your
your
hands.
see if you're a white
You're
man? Gerald's not white. Far from white. Are we camping?
No, we're camping. We're camping.
What did I didn't beg for no money, Paul Gray. Cookie Marie, you too, sweetie. Thanks, Crying Red. Right. Exactly, Matthew. Oh shit, my phone's about to die. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Love y'all.